Right, we are talking cocktails. It's
All
a pretty drink, but it's not getting pretty reviews, at least not from the New York Times.
Yeah, this is called the Aperol Spritz. Have you heard of it? It's made of Aperol and Prosecco. A recent New York Times article about it was headlined "The Aperol Spritz." It says it's just not a good drink. They say it's not good. The popular Instagram-friendly aperitif drinks like a Capri Sun after soccer practice on a hot day. Not in a good way. That's what they said. Ouch.
Well, what does the cocktail chemist have to say? Does he agree with the many who are outraged after seeing the Times piece? Demetrius Zaharitis is joining us. So, what do you think?
Disagree wholeheartely.
You disagree wholeheartedly. You think it's a great drink?
It's a great drink.
Yeah.
Of course it is.
An Aperol.
They have the bartending community up in arms right now.
Yeah.
Seriously?
Oh yeah.
Really?
Big deal. Big
actually,
doings.
they're just stoking the fire. They're just making us put it on cocktail menus left and right. And,
Okay.
and
do you think they have some kind of stock in the Aperol industry?
You never know.
Yeah,
you never know.
Maybe just to
There's
get people
maybe
stoked.
some shenanigans going on.
There
Who
could
knows?
be a
Behind the
little
scenes.
shenanigans going on. All right, but you're going to make us a...
So we're going to make you an
then
Aperol
make
Spritz.
it.
We're going to start with that today. So an Aperol, it's 3 simple ingredients. It's sparkling wine, Aperol, of course, and
What
club
is
soda.
Aperol?
Aperol is it's a bittersweet liqueur from Italy. It's only 11% alcohol, so 22 proof. It's made from oranges. So do you ever have Campari? It's like Campari, but it's less bitter and a little more sweet.
Okay.
So it's a little more approachable than
It's a
Campari
little
would be.
more syrupy, right?
Yeah, it
Yeah.
definitely has some sweetness to it. Yeah. So it's simple. We start with some sparkling wine. We do about 3 ounces of sparkling wine, and then we do our Aperol. Of course, we do 2 ounces of Aperol,
Oh, it's very pretty.
Yeah,
and
very
then
pretty
we
drink.
do about an ounce of club soda on top, and
Oh, nice.
that's the whole
It
cocktail.
seems like a perfect summer drink.
It's a great summer drink,
Yeah.
especially like over the weekend. We get nice warm weather.
Absolutely.
And you
Absolutely.
garnished it with an orange?
And an orange slice, and that's it. It's the classic. It's a classic Aperol Spritz. You get a cool Aperol Spritz
Yeah.
glasses too.
Has it
Awesome.
always been a popular or unpopular?
It's gained some popularity, but it's been around for a while. Very nice aperitif cocktail to start your night off if you're going out for dinner. And
So
stuff
you
like
don't
that.
think it resembles Capri Sun in
It
any
tastes
way?
like a Capri Sun. It tastes like it belongs in a juice pack.
Man, they were right.
See, can you use like any kind of sparkling, any kind
Yeah.
of you know,
Prosecco,
Prosecco
would
work.
be,
Prosecco
to go
would
into
work.
theme with the Italian.
it's actually
very
the
refreshing.
Italian.
Yeah,
Yeah,
a nice
to me
hot
it seems
day.
like a perfect summer drink.
Okay, so that's the Aperol.
So that's the Aperol Spritz. Now we have another, and all these cocktails that we're making today could be made in bigger batches.
I
So if
think
you're
it's
entertaining,
fantastic.
it's good, right?
Yeah, I
me
love the
see.
sparkling.
Let me try it
Anything
again.
sparkling,
Yeah, me too.
I
I
really
love
love in
bubbles.
the summer.
Yeah.
It's very
And
low in
bubbles are great.
alcohol content, right
Very,
there, right?
yes.
I
So
mean,
you could have.
you could have
multiple.
17 of
You can
these.
make it in a pitcher too.
Holy
what
moly, that's a
picture?
big ice cube.
Yes, so we have a nice large cube for we're making a south
Do you have
side.
like trays for those?
We do.
Okay.
Oh yeah. We have a lot of trays at the bar. It's always
Okay.
full in the freezer. So now we're making a south side cocktail. So this is another classic cocktail. It's basically a gin mojito.
Okay.
And so we're
Gin
using
mojito.
and I know you like
nice.
gin these days because I got you onto that. So we're doing 2 ounces of 2 ounces of gin. We're using Litchfield Distillery gin, so a nice local gin. And then we're using our friends at Ripe, make a beautiful mojito blend.
Okay.
So we're doing I do about 3 ounces of the mojito mix.
And for those who don't know, Ripe is made right here in New Haven, Connecticut.
Oh, cool.
They're cold pressed. It's really a wonderful product. You can get it in Whole Foods and in other markets.
So quick shake.
Shake it up.
Shake it up, baby.
Shake it up.
And then we strain over our big cube.
Okay.
Nice rocks glass. You could do this in a martini glass as
And you
well,
have
but I just
some mint
chose.
too?
And some mint. We give our mint a quick little slap.
Smells so good.
And then, just
So
garnish
simple.
like so.
So
you can try that
simple.
one if you like.
Oh my gosh,
Look at this one,
I'm not a
gosh.
huge
Good-
fan of gin.
Good
but I
thing you're
will
not
try.
working the 5 tonight.
That's also very good. And I'm not a
Nice,
huge
refreshing.
Fan.
I'll
And
be
again,
the
you can
judge.
make a big pitcher of
He's a
this,
fan of
leave
gin.
it out,
Yeah.
and you're good to go.
And you don't have to do the whole mojito thing because you have
You
the
don't have to
mojito
muddle
mix.
it. They do
You
it
have
all
the
for
mix.
you. So
got it all for-
I'm a big proponent of this
This
stuff.
is really
Yeah.
good.
Delicious, right?
Really good.
It's a good thing you don't have to do the 5 tonight.
Exactly. 20 towns in 20 days. 20 would be 20 drinks. All
20
right.
drinks. So,
20
so
drinks
lastly,
in
we're gonna
20
make
days.
a sangria.
Okay.
So sangria, white wine-based cocktail. We're gonna use our white wine. We're gonna use Pinot Grigio. We got a little Coppola Pinot Grigio here in a
can.
In a can.
Okay. You got
So
about
we're
a
gonna
minute.
So easy.
Doing about 3 ounces of wine because it is the wine-based.
Okay.
We're using a little rum to bump up the
Wow.
proof on this. We're just going to do about
Rum and
about
wine together.
Yeah, about 3/4 of an ounce of rum, not much. Then we're using a little bit of pineapple juice. We'll do
Okay.
about a 1/2 ounce of pineapple juice. And then we have some fresh pressed pineapple.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. So we have watermelon here. I mixed it already with some lemon and some sugar. But
Okay.
if you just puree watermelon, you're good to go.
Oh, I love
A little
watermelon.
squeeze of lemon, and you're perfect.
Watermelon is one of those superfoods.
And then we just give it a quick shake as well. And this again, you can make it in a. That happens a lot. You can make it in a pitcher as well.
Yeah, you make that look so easy.
And I'll have the recipes on my Facebook
Yeah,
for
absolutely.
folks to go there. And we just have a little pineapple there. A little watermelon.
Fantastic.
We have some. Then we just want to garnish with some fruit.
Yep.
And we will
Just
top
put
it.
you in the mood for summer.
Oh, my
Great
God.
weekend drinks.
Puts me in the mood. Is
Some
today
lemon, some-
Friday?
some
Can today
orange.
be Friday?
And then we do a little.
It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
It is.
Absolutely.
We'll give
Give
this
it
a
a
little
little
stir.
stir. We're gonna-
We just
It's so
topped it with
pretty,
with some ginger ale. That's all. Just
Very
for
All right,
some
for these
bubbles.
recipes and others,
Yeah.
head to Demetrius's Facebook page.
Thank
Just
you so
search the
much.
Cocktail
Yeah.
Chemist. We got to try that one.
Try
real
it up.
quick. Hang on a second.
Look at that. At Cocktail Chemist.
I'm not a big watermelon fan, but it is.
That's
it's good.
They were all
Refreshing.
very good.
This is mine. It's very refreshing.
They're
There you
all
go.
very
This is my
refreshing.
favorite.
Great for summer.